Alright guys, what's going on? What's going on Instagram? The real Akili, Aya, Uzila, what's going on? Change this picture quick. What's going on Cormier? Chad Weaver, what's up? Save that. I'm gonna go 116 today. 929. Day 1. I think it's day 200 today. It is, I believe. And then we're gonna change up the tickers here. So we're gonna go. Save Green Day. What's going on, Breastbear X Positive? What's going on? Alright guys, let me post that I'm live here. What's going on, FPA? Hope you guys had a great trading day. Hope you guys are doing good out there. There's a lot of opportunities out there today. You know, I could have definitely capitalized crazy enough on a lot more, but nonetheless, you know, I'm happy about today's trading day, and want to continue to build on it as always. I go to options, go here, go to options alerts, boom, done. Alright, posted that. My camera already froze. That's great. What's going on, Daryl? No problem, Daryl. Alright. So let me post this. What's going on, guys? Good to have you on. Good to have you in. Hopefully you guys traded well today. For some reason my StockTwits account got banned, so at least for now I can probably reinstate it. Hopefully, I don't know what I did wrong, but I asked for an explanation nonetheless. SUNW, ADIL, Ombo. Cool, posted that. What's going on, guys? Alright. Kyle Lehman, what's going on? Matthew, Joe STX, Diego the Bull, Jeff F. Bought my training course. That's awesome. Hopefully you're enjoying it. Let me go live on TikTok now. No, I got banned on StockTwits. I have no idea why. Okay, let me image, or no, sorry, live. And then I gotta go. Six days. Add cover. What's going on, Smiley Chuckles? Alright guys, so we're live here. We got every platform up, ready to go. What's going on, Vern? What's going on, Jay? What's going on, Joss Man? Yeah, I've gotten banned on StockTwits before. No big deal though, you know, like I try to comply with all the rules, and maybe I accidentally didn't comply, or you know, I just have to I emailed them and we'll see what happens. I didn't try to do anything wrong. What's going on, Sobolus Notes? Good to have you on. Alright guys, so we're live here at normacnoltrading.com. We're up, like I said, $116,000 today. Yeah, I appreciate that, Sobolus Notes. We've been on quite a stretch here, guys. We are now closing in on $900,000 in profits. What's going on, Connor? It's just probably just barely under $900,000 in profits in the past 6 trading days. I think that puts me on the challenge. Let's see. Almost at $3.7 million on the challenge, which is awesome. And I want to go ahead and go over today's trades. Thanks for coming on. Thanks for coming in. Excuse me, guys. What's going on, Evandale? What's going on, NNCZ? Excuse me. So, excuse me. So let's go ahead and kind of get started on the day today, guys. We'll kind of go ahead and let a little more people trickle on in before we get started. I'll go ahead and scroll through all my trades, fully verified, fully timestamped, as you can see here. Fully verified, fully timestamped on the side here. Yeah, I'll go over my trades today, Joe. I saw you post that, so I'll try and do a better job today. So, here it is, all my trades, okay, on the day. I know it sounds crazy, but today was a ton of scalping. Okay, so there's that, there's that, there's that. I'm going to scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Okay. And then I'll scroll down for you guys on YouTube. That way you guys can pause it. So there's that. Going for you guys. What's going on TikTok? Join me on YouTube. Kim the Man is my YouTube. Kim the Man is my YouTube. I'll scroll up one more time here for you guys. Again, join me on TikTok. Kim the Man is my YouTube. Kim the Man is my YouTube. Join me on there. I have a screen share for you guys. You guys can take a look at that. Alright, so those are all my trades for the day, guys. So, first trade of the day, ADIL, or what the, no, ADIL, is that really my first trade of the day? LMFA, you guys can see here, I'm actually, where's the scales on LMFA? Why is this not right? Oh, those are my last trades of the day? Alright, is that... I don't think this is right. This is not all my trades. Let's see, ADIL. This does not look like all my trades. This is definitely not all my trades. Anyways, guys. I know what I traded today. It's probably because I scalped so many different names. The page doesn't fit it. But I'm trying to find... I scaled out of LMFA this morning. Oh, there it is. 108. Okay. But this is saying I bought ADIL at 288. How does that make any sense? I mean, it went to 288, but that means it was one of my last trades. Yeah, the times are all screwed up on this. Anyways, we'll go ahead and go over it anyways. So, today, guys, I'll go ahead and explain all my trades here. So, basically, so ADIL, I traded, okay, on the way up. LMFA, I had an overnight position on. What's going on? Join me on YouTube. My YouTube's on TikTok, guys. Join me on YouTube, Cam the Man. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube, Cam the Man. And then, again, those of you guys on YouTube or TikTok, join me on YouTube, Cam the Man. I have my screen share on there. But anyway, so LMFA was one that I was overnight, and I liked it because it was setting up exactly like OXBR did. Okay, wait 1 second here. It's set up exactly like OXBR did, and OXBR actually ran pretty big on what was it? Yesterday it ran OXBR ran from like $1 to like $8.50, I think it was. It was something insane like that. And you know, at the end of the day, that thing went massive, right? Like that was a huge trade. Or OXBR, let me go back and look at it. So OXBR, let's go back and look here. OXBR yesterday, it went from $1.56 to $9.62. Okay, absolutely insanity, right? So as soon as I see that happen, I'm like, okay, tomorrow's going to be the day. And so what happened? HUSA was actually one of the runners. So HUSA had a big open up there. ADIL was another. ADIL closed open strong. We consolidated all day, and then we broke out into the close there. That was a strong move on that trade there. And really, I mean, at the end of the day, you know, I only took a piece of this move. I didn't even take the whole side of the move, guys. I wish that I could sit here and say I caught this move and all this, but I really didn't. At the end of the day, I didn't catch a big portion of it, to be honest. I missed out on a lot of it. I'm not even going to lie. I missed out on a ton of that trade. And at the end of the day, I tried my best to kind of, you know, do what I could with it. And, you know, but there's no way that I could have held on to that trade right there. You know, there's just no way. I was in at 189. My plan was to kind of hold this overnight and see this move after hours. Well, we didn't get this move after hours. And the thing is, we're moving up too quick. So when we moved up too quick like that, I didn't know how to handle it. I didn't know how to, you know, understand basically what was going on with it, you know, because I was trying to see this move after hours, right? My plan was to see that move after hours, but we really didn't get that move after hours at all. It ended up being, let's see here, maximize the sell. Ended up being intraday, and we had huge volume, but I ended up selling off like some in here, and then the rest, I started scalping and took off my main position in here, and then this thing just took off without me. Not gonna lie. Still nice gains on it, but you know, this trade alone could have been. I mean, honestly, over a $250,000 trade. I was in a $250,000 position on this. So, yeah, the timestamps are all screwed up. I don't know why that is, but so yeah, I mean, I could have made a ton of money on that trade, but that's just the way it goes. You know, that I missed out literally on everything from this line up. And you know, I hope that you guys bank because it was an overnight idea at 188.5, I think it was, or 186.5. But, you know, that's the way trading goes, guys. That is literally the way trading goes. I missed out on this huge move in here and still made a great gain on today's trading day. You know, that's what kind of markets we're in, right? Yeah, I missed out on literally this whole thing. Literally, this whole thing right here, I missed out on. Now, I scalped it, though. I scalped it in here. I scalped it in here. And I scalped it in there. So I definitely didn't feel like I missed a whole lot of it because I scalped it so many times. I probably made a total on the name, probably 30 to 40 to maybe even $50,000 on it. So I didn't miss out. I mean, obviously, if I would have held the darn thing, it's all hindsight 2020. But again, I don't know it's going to go to 3. I don't know it's going to go to 4. I can't see the future, right? So if I guaranteed myself I was going to get $3 or $4 a share, great. But I've been on a hot streak. I didn't want to give any of my gains back, and I locked it up, right? So, you know, that's trading. Again, as I always say, that's trading. Scalped it multiple times, but my core position was on in here, and then I got in some of these dips. Watch this thing come up, scaled out some of that, and then my last scales, my big chunks were right in there. HUSA, I played this one, not really for much gains. Kind of just watch this go up, and then I believe, oh yeah, so I bought the dip down in here and then scaled out there. I scaled some out in there. That was like a quick like $6,000. I scalped HUSA multiple times. Bought some in here, scaled right there. I bought some right in here, and I scaled up in here, and I literally sold this position right before this candlestick here. Literally sold this position right before this candlestick. This is a 1 minute candlestick, right? LMFA, no. So I told you guys in chat, I was like, okay, this one's my #1 watch. And I really did think it was going to go. Okay, I started to see the tape, and I started to see every time it got batted down, batted down, batted down. The ass kept getting heavy, and that's why I told you guys in chat. I said, hey, this is looking heavier. I ended up, unfortunately, getting scaled out like some in here because I had a problem with E-Trade. But I told you guys multiple times, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead, okay? Once I saw this pop and no continuation, and then I saw the level 2 and the time and sales, I immediately was turned off of this play, okay? To me, it looked like dilution was going on. What's going on, Paul? What's going on, Hansy? Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Again, those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Again, those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. And then, yeah. So, and then, what was the big place today, guys? I'm trying to remember. My time in sales. Oops, sorry about that, guys. What the heck just happened there? Oops. Okay. What was the other play today? U1 I scalped multiple times. I scalped U1 for another $10,000 gain. I actually, so yeah, U1 I got long right on this, in this candlestick in here, or no, sorry. U1 I got long in here with about a 698 average, and I sold off with my average scales was 730. That was about a $10,000 gainer there. I wish I had all my trades. They're not, for some reason they're not. I don't know, maybe I took too many trades today. I don't know why they're not in here, but they're not in there. For whatever reason, they're not in there at all. And then ZAGG, I traded. I ended up getting filled somewhere in, I think somewhere in here. Scalped it there as well. Today was literally a ton of scalps, guys. Literally, I didn't really have a core position in any trade. Literally, it was just scalp after scalp after scalp after scalp. I'm not kidding. It was literally just scalping after scalping after scalping after scalping. But with the liquidity in the markets, with the volatility in the markets, guys, literally I'm able to scalp with $100,000, $200,000 positions with no liquidity issues at all. Literally no liquidity issues, none at all. I just locked up CTIC there. Just a quick $740 gain there on that trade. Scaled out some, you guys can see it there. CTIC right there, 252, 252, 252. I was getting scaled out on that pop right there. Another $700 win. I'm just taking scalp after scalp, guys. I'm not taking a huge chunk and just waiting. You know, I'm basically taking a smaller chunk and just taking scalp moves after scalp moves. But you can take scalp moves because, you know, HUSA today, it traded 145 million shares. I bet you it traded almost $500 million today. If you're over 25,000, no. So today was full of a bunch of scalps. LMFA I locked about $20,000 on. Again, HUSA I made some solid money on. And I don't know where the rest of my trades are. So, but that was the main chunk of them. Other than that, smaller scalps on certain tickers. What else did I trade? Anything else? Oh, off HUSA. Okay, so HUSA went insane, right? At this point, it was up. I think it was like 400, 500, 600%, right? So I started to look at TGC. I started to look at all the oil names. JE. I started to look at what was the other ones? There's other oil names. GBR, PED. GBR was my favorite. Okay, GBR was in the price range where we've been seeing these dollar stocks run to $5, $8, $9 for no reason, right? PED, I liked it, but it looked really heavy. Again, this one looked like LMFA. The time and sales, level 2 looked like dilution, and I was right. You can tell a lot from time and sales on level 2, guys. You can tell if the thing can run or not. It's taken me over 3 years to figure that out, but I can tell by, bidders, the bid and the ask, and the people that are buying and selling. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. But yeah, so I could tell that was heavy. So my favorite was GBR. Why? First of all, this thing spiked pre-market. Why? Because of HUSA. There's no other reason. There's no news. Second off, had a huge spike out of the gates. Why? Because of HUSA. No reason. I started to see HUSA go into a hold at 610, and I'm like, all right. And I actually chased this thing. I chased it up at like 166 to 170. All right. I really thought this thing could let up and open up over 3 if HUSA kept going, but HUSA didn't. So that's why I scaled out. I think like 198 was my scales. Luckily I did, because it ended up selling up. This is something that I'm watching into tomorrow, though, because HUSA went crazy. And the oil plays might get hot. All right. Oil plays might get hot. But yeah, a ton of scalps today, guys. If you guys are interested in my course, let's see what CTIC is doing. 265, guys. What a market we are in. I swear, anything in the price range of $1 to $1.50, no matter what the news, you're gonna get big time continuation. I scaled at 252. This thing's up to 267 now. It's amazing, these markets, guys. This is when it gets fun. To me, this is when there's free money on the table. I know it sounds crazy, but this is when there's free money on the table at the end of the day. All right? Those of you guys who are interested in my course, it's 25% off. Goes over all my strategies. How I've turned 1,000 and now into just under $3.7 million in trading. Okay. It has my brokerage, all the links in the bio as well. My brokerage gives you up to 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. Scanner is also 25% off. Those links are also in the description below. Free chat room. That's where I spend all my time, guys. The free chat is where I spend all my time. Check that link in the description below, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in. If you guys could smash that like button, smash that like button. And more importantly, subscribe to the channel and click that icon to alert you when I go live. Again, click that icon to alert you when I go live. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. That helps the NorMagnoTrading.com community out. Again, I really do appreciate all that, because I come on here for free every day for you guys. And if you could smash that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate that. I think we can get at least 50 new subscribers and at least 60 likes. I'd really appreciate that. Again, my course is ending the sale tomorrow. I've officially decided I'm ending the sale tomorrow. Okay, I'm ending the sale tomorrow at 12 Eastern Standard, so 9 Pacific. So if you're interested in my course, it teaches you over 20 hours of my content. Check that out. Can't click the bell because it says stream is made for kids. Maybe I should change that. I don't know. Yeah, so check that out. I appreciate you guys. If you're interested in learning my strategies that help me turn 1,000 into $3.6+ million in 200 business days, feel free to check my course out. I've taken 3 challenges: 1,000 into 1 million, 10 months in 1 week. The second challenge was using Robin 1,000 to 600,000. Third challenge, 1,000 now into $3.6 million plus in 200 business days, and I'm looking to hit 5 million by the end of the year is my goal. If you're interested in learning my strategies, I have my course on here. You can feel free to check that out. Sale ends tomorrow. Okay. And that's really all I have. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to alert if I'm making videos. Cheers, team.